Lady and the Tramp.
Is that a song?
That is now.
Okay.
What was I doing? I forgot.
Salt. About a teaspoon. I like to turn my hand into a little bowl and just fill up the little hole. And usually that's about a teaspoon.
Okay.
Just right in there.
I think I put it in there.
And throw it in there. Yep.
Okay, I did.
And then your vanilla, you're gonna do 2 capfuls.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and now mixer one more time.
You should probably add less.
You seem to have a lot of confidence, which is good.
I always have a lot of confidence.
Okay, great. So
Which is only there to mask my arrogance.
Describe
Which is only there to mask my ignorance.
Describe to me what you have now.
Confidence.
Great. But what about the cake?
Ignorance.
Okay.
Is that the tallest stack you can manage?
Jesus.
Taller than it looks.
It's always about the height with these people, man.
Gotta be 6 feet on Bumble. Gotta.
Yep. Have you heard of the 666 rule?
No, what's that?
6 feet, 6 figures, 6 inches.
Oh man.
Yep.
I'm 1 inch short.
Yep. That's how you know the devil sent them to you, ladies. That's how you know. Be careful with those.
Come on, baby.
Tight, tight, tight.
Lightweight, baby.
Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Get up. There
we
you
go,
go.
580.
There you go.
Unreal.
I'm lightheaded.
Let's go. You okay?
Let's go!
I think he's okay.
Big day! I'm a freak! Well, I'm a problem.
Sick. Did Titans finally get a cool subclass or what? Coast seems clear.
Feel good.
AK-47s. They're a weapon.
They are a weapon, and they cost around 2,700
On the black market of Counter-Strike.
In the black market, that is Counter-Strike.
The price never changes.
Yeah, you'd think that it would be affected by supply and demand.
How do they keep getting all the AKs?
I'm not entirely sure. I think the US sells them to. No, obviously not.
Obviously not.
Wait, what was that? A MacBook. I thought that looked MacBooky.
어? 뭐야 저거? 럼들이! 아이고. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I can do that. Oh! I can do that for my hair. 잠깐만. Oh no. Oh.
Oh, they're locking it. It's too late. It's still flowing. Oh, it stopped. Hey, don't waste the food. There's a bunch. Don't waste it. Oh, it's locked. Oh, no, it's not.
Can't see it though. Oh my god. I'm in first? What the fuck is going on? Oh, come on, man! Dude, I'm fucking done.